Hey there, people. How's it going? And today we are going to talk about the Refrigiwear men's Iron-Tuff Insulated Coveralls with the hoodie. Yeah, now this is a special suit that you can wear in intense cold. Like if you're going to be working in a below zero freezer or something like that, like a walk-in freezer. Sometimes certain companies that, like big factories, have walk-in freezers that you have to work in order to move products around and, or put in products or whatever. And these suits are for really cold, super cold temperatures like that. Now, this will keep you very warm from head to toe. It has a hoodie that will keep you nice and snug inside. Now, this has buttons and a zipper. You unzip it here to get in. And on the sides, it has zippers that you can unzip at first, to get your legs and everything in. The zipper goes all the way up to about there. And then once you get your leg inside, you can zip it down and then button it to keep your legs nice and snug. And you do that for both sides. It's really super padded with insulation. And this suit is waterproof, and it has a tear and a abrasion-resistant shell on it to keep it from any kind of punctures or tears or anything like that. It's a really strong material that, really can withstand a lot of abuse. Yeah. Now in the hoodie here, it's really soft material here. It feels almost like mink inside. It's really cozy, really soft. And this part fits like a hoodie, like a ski cap almost, around your head, to cover your forehead and everything. And this part gives you extra warmth and cushioning around. And on the inside, it's just really full of this soft cushioning inside there. And you can close it really tight with the Velcro here, all the way around your face. Now, you could use this in any kind of cold situation, like if you are going skiing even, or gonna walk in the snow or work in the snow, this will very much keep you very, very warm. Now, I've worn these several times working in laboratories where the temperatures in the, like I said, walk-in freezers gets really, really cold. I mean, below zero cold, where, everything in there is frozen, and you have to put these on. Now, you put these on over your clothes. You don't, take your clothes off and put this on. Yeah, and it will keep you very, very warm. And what's also good about it is the water-resistant part of this, because a lot of times when you're working with materials that are frozen, a lot of times you're dealing with ice. And, when you deal with ice, you're also dealing with water. So a lot of times the ice or the snowy particles will get onto the suit, and once you come out, it'll start to thaw in there, and you don't want it to absorb into the suit itself. You want it to kind of just, so you can just wipe it off. You need it to just kind of, melt and then roll off. It's made of a material like that. It's resistant to water. So, and it can get really warm in there. You only want to wear this in cold temperatures. Otherwise, you will be sweating. You will. And it's really soft inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's extremely padded in there. And it's just really, really a good way to keep warm. Now, when they're brand new, you'll find that it's a little tough to get in, especially like you've never worn them before and everything, because the material when it's new is kind of rigid and kind of rough, and tough. But as you use them and as you break it in, you'll see it loosens up a bit and you're able to get into it a lot easier. Yeah, this is a really good suit for keeping warm, and it will do the job, and it has. I've used it for a long time and it hasn't failed me yet. Right. Okay. Well, this is the Refrigiwear men's Iron-Tuff insulated coveralls with the hoodie. All right. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.